Today we're taking a look at this 32GB Timtec SO-DIMM memory kit. I bought this memory kit for the WO4 Peladn mini PC that Peladn had sent over for us to take a look at. This mini PC has a Ryzen 5600H built in with the older Vega igpu. The CPU has 6 cores, 12 threads, and it's quite power efficient. The USB connectivity is also pretty good on here. We have dual 2.5 gigabit per second LAN ports, which is definitely going to come in handy for homelabbing. For my scenario, I'm going to be using this memory kit for a little Proxmox virtualization host, which is why I needed the memory kit to be 32 gigabytes. This kit consists of 2 dual rank DIMMs, 16 gigabytes each, that are rated to run at about 2666 megatransfers per second, with primary timings of CL19, 19, 19, 43. It is important to note that this is a 1.2 volt memory profile kit, and you always want to make sure if you're using this with a mini PC or a laptop that your device supports 1.2 volt memory, or if it supports 1.3 volt memory. If your device only supports 1.2 volt memory, that's the memory you want to buy. So far, this memory kit has been pretty much rock solid stable, which is awesome. I have to build out my home lab for a couple of tests. I'm going to be running maybe 5, 10, maybe even 15 virtual machines in my home lab, and pretty much a couple of LXCs to get a couple other tasks done. I think this should be a pretty slick little setup that doesn't use a ton of power, it didn't cost me a ton of money, and it's pretty much silent all the time. If you're interested in more Proxmox or virtualization videos, or just more on mini PCs in general, definitely let me know in the comments section. As for the memory kit and the mini PC that I'm taking a look at, I'll link that in the description below, so if you want to learn more about those or find out current pricing, head down and check that out. I do cover the occasional home lab video here, but I do cover a lot of gaming PC and component review videos as well. If you're interested in that stuff, consider getting subscribed to the channel, and until next time, keep on homelabbing.